When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Siva Nag recipes with me Chef Siva Nag.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare hot chocolate mix. It's very easy to prepare and taste delicious. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Add 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix everything. Take around 150 ml of raw milk. Add this milk into a saucepan. Once it getting boiled, add 2 tablespoons of hot chocolate mix. Once milk get boiled, now switch off the stove. Now transfer this milk into serving cup. That's all, hot chocolate mix was ready. Try this wonderful easy recipe and give your valuable feedback in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare moong dal idli. Don't miss it. When we upload videos, for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Siva Nag recipes and click on the bell icon.